Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing about the Simpsons Homer. As you can see, I put the phone on the table instead of the floor. So anyway, 4 plushies from Jack Pacific. Here's a bag, each sold separately. Here's the other ones you get: Homer, what you got, Bart, Lisa, Chief, William, Ned Flanders. Let's open it up. And because the box is small, we have to open from here. Not others, Jack Pacific has their own 2.5 inches figures. Well, I don't know. Tell me the truth about this figure. Well, comment down below. None other than figures have all points of articulations and all details around the toy. Then what you do have all these figures. Simpsons is the one that we watched all before. I don't know. How many episodes are there? A lot? I don't know. Maybe 100 of them? I mean thousands of them. And The Simpsons will end in 2025 this year. Because the show premiered on Fox in 1989. That's what the show premiered. I kind of almost ripped the box. Rubber bands. There we go. Here's Homer out of the box. You can move his arms. You can move his You can move his legs. It doesn't move his legs. It's just molded together. And you can turn his head. I like Simpsons. He's one of the coolest shows in the world. I never talk about how this show premiered. It premiered in 1989 and the show ended in 2025 this year. I never talk about how this show premiered. When the show premiered on Fox, the show's kind of funny to watch if you know what it is. Sometimes the show isn't funnier to watch if you know what it is. But I have to say, most people like Simpsons if you know the one that we used to watch it before. I don't know how to watch it like this, but now we've seen it before, and wait, do we know? But yeah, I like it. Some people notice that the toy is some kind of we know other than this. But I have another one. I'll show you quick. But it's probably just bigger. See? Right there. I have a Bart 5 inches figure next to the Homer 2.5 inches figure. And on the back, there's no other reason to have a figure, but you know what other than this will be able to get a figure at the store. What is the best one to you ever think of it? So thanks for watching The Simpsons Homer figure. Bye.